The next part I want to show is the hyperparameter tuning aspect of it. We use Katib, which is part of Kubeflow for the hyperparameter tuning. Katib specifies a format for the tuning files. An example tuning file is here in this repo. It defines various parameters such as the search space, number of trials, and so on. So I'm going to download this tuning file. So the tuning file is downloaded. That's what I'm going to use for my training run. So I'm going to use a clone functionality here. So I'm going to keep everything else the same and then upload the tuning definition. So basically, once I upload this tuning definition, it's going to make it a hyperparameter tuning job. So I'm going to upload this file. And I'm not going to change anything else. I'm just going to give it a name, call it a tuning job. So MNIST. So and submit. So it's similar to starting a run. So this would start a hyperparameter tuning job, which will schedule multiple pods to walk through the search space. This is the one that will be enabled once tuning runs are complete and the optimal hyperparameters are determined. The hyperparameter tuning runs, once they're complete, there is this icon that gets enabled that shows the results of your hyperparameter training jobs. In this case, it shows that there were 3 trials that were scheduled, and this trial hit the accuracy that was needed, and these were the hyperparameters that it found. So that's what will be recorded against the hyperparameter tuning job. So that it kind of shows the different values that it has tried in a graphical form.